Hello, welcome to the channel. Today we are focusing on an essential topic for anyone living, investing, or doing business in Brazil. Hire attorney in Brazil. When dealing with the Brazilian legal system, having qualified legal representation is not just helpful, it's indispensable. Whether you are a private individual, an expat, an entrepreneur, or a multinational corporation, a licensed attorney is your gateway to clarity, compliance, and protection under the law. In Brazil, the legal profession is highly regulated. Every practicing attorney must be a member of the Ordem dos Advogados do Brasil, known internationally as the Brazilian Bar Association. Only lawyers or with this official registration are legally permitted to represent clients in court or provide legal opinions on Brazilian legal matters. Brazil operates under a civil law system which relies heavily on codified statutes rather than legal precedent. This means every contract, corporate structure, real estate deal, and court action must adhere precisely to written law. An experienced attorney ensures your interests and aligned with these rules from the very beginning, not after problems arise. If you are planning to relocate to Brazil, immigration law will likely be your first legal hurdle. Whether applying for residence through investment, employment, family ties, or retirement, your case must meet specific legal requirements. A Brazilian attorney can evaluate your eligibility, prepare and translate documents, and interact directly with federal authorities. From the first visa application to permanent residency or citizenship, legal assistance minimizes delays and errors. If you are coming to Brazil for business, you need legal guidance at every step. Incorporating a company, registering with local authorities, obtaining a CNPJ tax ID, and complying with corporate governance rules all require legal documentation and filings. Your attorney will ensure that your company's structure fits your goals, tax obligations are understood, and contracts are drafted with full enforceability. Let's take real estate as another example. If you are buying a property in Brazil, whether it's a beachfront apartment in Rio, rural land, or commercial space, a Brazilian attorney will conduct property due diligence, verify registered records, check for liens or encumbrances, and handle these title transfers. Without this legal supervision, foreign buyers risk falling into traps, including fraudulent ownership claims or purchasing land with unresolved disputes. Now, let's talk about family law, a particularly sensitive but critical area. An attorney in Brazil can assist with prenuptial agreements, marriage registration, international divorce, child custody disputes, alimony, and inheritance proceedings. In cross-border cases, Brazilian family law may interact with international conventions and require specialized handling. Attorneys experienced in transnational family issues provide the legal and emotional clarity needed in these complex matters. When it comes to tax law, Brazil has one of the most detailed systems in the world. There are federal, state, and municipal tax, which each with its own rules and enforcement systems. Whether you are an individual, taxpayer, or a company, a Brazilian attorney can guide you through income declarations, asset disclosures, and regulatory filings. For foreigners with overseas income, proper legal structure is crucial to avoid double taxation or future penalties. Litigation and dispute resolution are also areas where having an attorney in Brazil is essential. Whether facing a civil suit, a contract dispute, a labor claim, or commercial litigation, representation by a licensed attorney is mandatory in most proceedings. Your lawyer will handle fillings, hearings, negotiations, and appeals, providing both legal defense and strategic insights into your case. Our unique feature of legal practice in Brazil is the use of notarized powers of attorney, or procurações, that's in Portuguese. If you're not physically present in Brazil, you can authorize your attorney to act on your behalf in a wide range of matters, from real estate transactions and company formation to court representation. This legal tool is essential for international clients managing affairs remotely. It's also important to emphasize the importance of language and cultural fluency. Attorneys who work with international clients are typically fluent in English or other foreign language and understand the expectations and business standards of clients from abroad. They translate not only language but also legal and cultural frameworks, ensure communication is clear and expectations are met. Now, what should you look for when selecting an attorney in Brazil? Beyond bar registration and technical skills, you want someone with international experience, responsiveness, and a client centered approach. A good attorney will explain legal risks, propose practical solutions, and work transparently. Whether you are signing a lease or negotiating a multi-million dollar deal, the quality of your legal representation matters. In Brazil, legal fees are not standardized. Lawyers may charge by the hour, per project, or based on a percentage of success in certain cases. For transparency and place of mind, always request a written fee agreement that outlines services, payment terms, and expectations before proceeding. Finally, it's worth mentioning that legal professionals in Brazil are often deeply involved in preventive legal strategies. This means identifying risks before they turn into problems by consulting an attorney early, for example, before signing contracts, transfer funds, or starting a business. You can avoid legal complications that would cost far more to fix later. To conclude, hiring an attorney in Brazil is not just about reacting to legal challenges. It's about proactive guidance, structured decision making, and long term legal health. Whether you are here temporarily or building a permanent life or business in Brazil, a trusted legal partner is your most valuable asset. I want to say thank you a lot for watching this video. If you are seeking legal advice, make sure to choose a licensed, reputable attorney with experience serving international clients in Brazil. Stay informed, stay protected, and stay legally secure in everything you do. Whatever questions you may have, please contact us. Our website address is written on this video. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye and see you in the next video.